And this is lift number 1 at Castle. Can't wait. I think it's talking to Aaron. I'll wait before we press the button. I'll wait.
I was wondering if you put it on pen and I'll pay it back. Yeah, but I didn't know if it was government confirmed. So what, your people like text you how much it would be?
Shall I go ahead and press it?
Okay.
Oh, hang on.
Yeah, alright, okay. Yeah, alright. Bye.
There we go. Now we can press it.
Let's see if it breaks.
Was that Aaron?
No, my mum.
Ah.
Why is it in a glass area, not glass?
Oh. I'll cut 0. Oh. Whoa, that moved. Come on then. It does this.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
So there we go.
Going down.
Got sticky doors.
We'll stay on it actually.
Ground floor.
If no one's waiting.
Doors open.
If someone's waiting, we'll let them on first. We cannot. So Carl, or Jamie, any one of you.
And if you press and hold it.
You can press.
Oh no. Oh no, don't then.
It doesn't do You it. can press You it. open, see?
Up. Please mind the doors.
Oh, you can do that to make it close. It says doors closing, but it doesn't. Oh,
Going up.
Jamie, what do you think of this lift?
Yeah. Another story.
Floor 1. Doors open.
Whoa! Thank you. It does this, doesn't it? I reckon like a stucky WH. I do. With H and that. That'll be a hydraulic coatis. That'll be a height. That's it. That right. And this is lift number 1 in B&Q, first day in service. Oh wow, this is new. I'll click G.
Doors closing.
It still goes hard. No, it doesn't.
Lift going down.
That doesn't sound good.
You saw a moving.
Yeah. She's really quiet.
Ground floor.
It is an
Doors
Oakland.
opening.
It's a newer Oakland. It's a modernised Oakland. Carl, do you want to click 1 and hope we don't get stuck?
Doors
We won't.
closing.
Otherwise they wouldn't have turned it on yet. That stand still, this one can be a bit dodgy.
Lift going up.
It's smoother! It's smooth. It's still an Oakland though. It's not as hard as what it used to be though.
Still a piece of crap.
Floor 1.
And it's
Doors opening.
faster! It's faster! It's... The new lift one's better than the old one. It's faster. It is an Oakland, it's just it's newer. It is.
Doors
It
closing.
is an Oakland. It's not a Jackson, it's...
Now that one looks fun to go on.
Certainly. Hello, is this lift number 4? No, it isn't. It's... I'll try clicking it, but...
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is. It went to sleep. It went to sleep. It's not broken, is it? It does what lift 3 used to do. Oh yeah, the ones in the car park used to do that.
What?
Just turned itself off. They won't turn it off when we're in here. You're in Castlepoint. Was that the one who got stuck in it?
This one. Yeah.
Oh. Who wants to click you, G? Anyone can.
Go on then.
So I clicked a G button. That doesn't sound good.
It sounds like he's gonna break.
Do you reckon they'll do this one the same as Lift 1?
Yeah.
Is that an Oakland still Lift 1, but a newer one?
It's the newer version.
Newer version of Oakland. It's 2025 Oakland. It's
No, this is the
24.
2013 spec.
2013 spec.
Go on then.
And this one's older.
Yeah, I'm the one that breaks everything.
This one is an older version. It'll be brand new Oakland Lift 1 in B&Q. So it used to be Oakland, but modernised by another Oakland. That's it for this one. Hello, this is lift number 2. Hello, how do you know people radios in it? Oh, for this time it's sad.
We're gonna be a while waiting for this thing to go down, aren't we?
That's smoother. That one didn't bump at all. Only 3 does. This one doesn't. No. This one don't bump at all. Oh, still slow.
It did.
I click you, G. Yeah. Make it B. Let's listen to the motors.
Years later. Fucking hell. Fucking. Hang on. That's how you make it. Oh fuck.
It re-leveled! But the G button worked, yo! Why did Jamie click G when I do it? Yeah, it worked. But I don't know why it re-leveled. Actually not there when it sucked. That's it. Hello, is this lift number 3? That's an Oakland, Jamie. Oh God, Oak. Is it broken? That one was squeaking very badly yesterday. Go on. Here we go.
How many is there? 4 of us.
Honest. Even that one didn't bump. Only did the top. I moved the doors. What have you done to it? No, that's not two. So it stops there. Number 3, it doesn't stop. Well, we'll get it. The going up it would have done. Because it's putting it. So that's not do. We don't want to be in here forever. Generics might have been alright, but anyway, not hydraulic. We might get kicked out if they found out as us.
I've been kicked out of a shopping centre before with doing.
Let's listen to it. It's smoother.
It sounds like it's gonna break.
Bit slower though. I thought we were not going up with it.
Stop it. Send it down.
Well, I thought we were not going up. I thought we were not. I was about to press it up. They wouldn't have worked the alarm. Come on. I know you've got the number to win as well. Wonder why it went really hard when it started going down.
Is it changed?
No, it has. I hate small lifts like this. Oh shit. Should we get in it or not? This doesn't sound good. You sure we want to?
Yeah, let's try it.
We've got an arm. Anyway.
I've got my phone as well.
It's not as hard as what we think. Don't do it. I just want to stay still on this lift. There we go.
Absolutely.
It might bang really hard though. I hate this one. Jesus. I'll press the G button.
This has got instant lock.
It's not as hard as what I thought.
It's worse going down.
It doesn't stop going down usually. It's normally up. It's next ain't as bad as this one. Next.
There you go.
Oh, don't best not to kick the door. Still want to stop
I
it.
actually forgot how big my shoes were then.
Are you still moving?
Yeah. There you go.
There we go. If we didn't, we would have. That re-leveled as I got in. I hate this lift. This is my worst one so far. This is a death trap. That's what we call a death trap lift. Hello, this is the Otis lift. Do you want to click the button to this one? It's not there. It's an Otis as well, so it should be alright. Here it is. No lights. But those lights are on though. You sure you want to get in? Yeah, it's working. Cool to get a lift of no light. Oh yeah, Otis will take it. H will take it longer. Oh, there we go. This one's better than WH Smith.
What isn't better than that crap?
Why is it squeaking?
That's the hydraulic.
So, do you want to click the G button? Yeah. Right, we're moving. This is a 2008. That's the first time I've been on a 2008. It's the first. I've never done this lift. I like it. Yeah, this one's actually alright. You always underestimate lifts. When I first go on them, yeah. Getting stuck in the lift wouldn't be as scary as a roller coaster. It wouldn't be. Here it goes, and that's it. And this is lift number 4, and someone's just sent it down, and there we go. It'll be the BCP lifts after. Oh, Jamie's having a look. They called it in for nothing. Either that. No, I sent it up though. Either that or the lift has got the automatic thing like the Place of Stuff one does. It might have a timer on. Goes down to G on its own after a while. It might do it if nobody's used it. Here we go. Right. I like this. Oh, no.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Oh.
Going down.
Oh. Sam's fun. What do you think of this one then?
It's quicker than the crowd.
Level 0.
Quicker! Okay.
Doors open.
Oh, that's upstairs. Okay. Now.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
I've never gone up and down in my life so much.
Going up.
Can't move it a bit.
This one has been out of service quite recently.
Why? Who broke it?
Level
I don't know.
1.
Someone got stuck in it.
Doors
There we go.
opening.
Not this time though. These lifts are better for.
Please mind the doors.
The next lift, it'll be G, mezzanine, and then you G on that. Well, on it. Oh yeah, it says a mezzanine on the next one. There's...
What, we stopping at all floors?
Yeah, I might as well do all. Okay. So you want to click this one then? Let's wait 100 million years, and then we'll go all the way up to mezzanine after, and then back down to Eugene, and then back down to Eugene. So we can go down all the way as well. This lift is not as bad as WH Smith. WH Smith is the worst one. That was awful. It'll come in a minute. It's the first time I've been on the next lift after ages. Been on B&Q every week, unless it kept stopping. And oh yeah, it might have stopped at different floors. It's got 3 floors now. Has it got 2 no more? Does this lift have a habit of re-levelling? Yes, we're not stopping. I think it keeps banging. No, they'll fix it. It'll open in a minute. There we go.
Going down.
Do you want to click G?
Mind the door.
It'll re-level in a minute. Don't make it re-level though. Let's let it do on its own. There we go. And then what? We're going up to mezzanine? Yeah, go up to M afterwards. This takes a while. This is slow. What do you think of it?
This is worse than the other lot.
Worse than this number 2. Yes. Let's not touch it.
Ground floor.
Should we go up to mezzanine? Yeah.
Going up. Mind the doors, please.
We won't stop it, UG. If that's someone calls it. That sounds like they're free as well now. If we stop, we've got... Don't make it stop though. So we want to get out at some point today. It's shaking. It's normal. It's alright.
It's changing.
Oh, wow.
It's changing between the new track to the old track.
Oh, is that why?
Mezzanine.
No.
Oh, let's get out at mezzanine. And then we'll go all the way down to G and then back up to you, G. Okay. Well, at least we got up here safely, at least. It is what I'll call it. If it's... This lift ain't as bad as what... Oh, so lift number 1 in B&Q would have been worse. So, they've smoothed the next lift. So lift 1 in B&Q would have been worse than this one.
I don't know, I never went on it.
Oh yeah, you never went on the old Oakland. The old Oakland lift. Oh yeah, it was... Jokes, it doesn't. Not out of order when we wanted to go on there, it's not. Best the old Oakland.
£61. I hope I can.
It'll come to us. No, I just press it so it can come quicker. That will turn off this stops. There was a sudden slowdown though. But I'm used to it from this one. There we go. Should we get in? Oh, press the G list. If it re-levels, I'll just press it again. Whoa!
Mind the doors, please.
Small lifts like this. Is that as hard as a beacon? No, not as hard. It's not as bad as this one. Hope you don't have to get out at UG. Oh no! Looks like I just went past it. That's the first time I've been on an Oakland with 3 floors. This used to be 2-floor elevator, this one.
Yeah, they added the...
9480 this lift. So if we get stuck, just say 9480. Serial number. Just as slow, is it? This is just as slow.
This is slower than a motherfucker.
It's wait a minute. Next time we go up, you.
Ground floor.
There we go. Right, I'll click the final button up.
Mind the doors,
What's
please.
the new button? UG.
Mezzanine.
Yeah, because
Here it is. That doesn't sound good.
Sounds like something wrong in the hydraulic motor.
Ooh! Let's go on this lift again at some point.
Upper ground.
There this one is a good one. Let's see if we level side out of it. It won't go down if you click that. You have to click the button inside. It won't go down.
It does work. You can use them to use the inspector.
What, for a lift inspection? Don't put it on inspection mode.
No, it's a combination you can do.
There we go. Hello, this is lift number 5. This is a fixed lift number 5. Now? Yeah.
Doors open. Going
Sounds
down.
like the engineers have just fixed it. Still
Please
bumps.
mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
And this one's only just been fixed today.
Level 0.
It should be alright.
What to fuck with?
Doors opening.
Let's see, is it opening? Or...
Please
Have
mind
you ever
the
pressed the
doors.
alarm on them?
Doors
I wouldn't.
closing.
I've done
Because
it.
what a security gun.
Going up.
I'd just say wrong button. This is quick.
They always shake when they've just been broken.
Level 1.
Probably something they just put in.
They probably put something
Doors
in the motor.
opening. Please mind the doors.
Whoa.
Doors closing.
And it weren't going to censor. Samsung. Hey! It fixed it! This is an Otis lift. I can already hear it squeaking like the F1 car. This lift's not dodgy. Otis Gen 2s never are. We've already been on a Gen 2 today. That'd be Castlepoint, Christchurch and Bournemouth we've been on now.
Are you waiting to go up?
Oh, I was just waiting to go up.
Go and you go and they want to just
sure?
up. Yeah, they want to go up.
Go up, down on it. Oh, this lift gets busy. This lift gets...
Sorry.
I'll press it again when it's going up. This lift gets...
Now. Yeah. It's probably because it's the only lift in here.
WH Smith one probably doesn't get busy because it's
Because
rubbish.
it's
half broken.
Now can't make its mind up if it's broken or broke.
Do you think we're going to get stuck in that one?
Yeah.
Now, will we get on?
Or would there be more people?
It doesn't have a chime.
Looks like it be us. Looks. Yes.
You click one.
Oh my god.
Right, here we go. This is fast.
Here we go.
Whoa!
The door nearly shut again.
Mine says click G.
You put your foot there.
Best not to.
It won't break them.
Oh my god.
There we go, we got to go on there.
We went on all this shop rides. We went.
Come on, bug one.
That was a proper lift tour. It.
Right, there you go.
Hello, this is lift number 6.
It works on the jacks, and I don't know whether I've clicked the button too early though.
Why?
So I might have done it when people are still getting in.
Oh, that was probably a safety thing as well.
That was probably the time. Oh, that was.
I clicked 0.
This one used to keep busting when it was open. Right. This one's never been out of order when it's Jackson. What do you think of this lift?
It's not bad.
Not bad, a new lift 6. Okay, back up.
Eventually.
That's sweet. Yes, it is
Do you
going.
know how to put a lift onto nudge mode?
Yeah, just stand in the doorway.